Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. We're going to start off real quick with some gifts that I got, and you guys don't need to send me anything, and I so much appreciate when you do. I don't need anything, but I love what you send, and I appreciate it so much. First I got something from Kim. 'Tis the season to be jolly. So, very sweet. Thank you so much. Here's a little clip of what she sent. Well, I'm trying to get in the box to see what present you sent, but somebody's claiming it as his box. It is a solar hummingbird wind chime. It's so cute. And it's mine. Of course, the sun's not out today. It is really cloudy and overcast, so. But thank you, Kim. That is so sweet, and I love it. She messaged me and said that my name was written all over it. She's right. All over it. I can't wait to hang it. I'm not going to put it outside until summer because I don't want it getting ruined. So I'm going to hang it out this summer, and I know exactly where to hang it, and I can't wait to see it lit up. But we got no sun today, so. Unfortunately, I couldn't really see because it takes like 8 hours to charge it in the sun. So next I got, look at this beautiful card. And Denise hand makes these cards and they're so beautiful and I absolutely love them. And thank you so much, Denise. And she sent me a whole bunch of stuff. Some little bitty baby magnets. And I was looking for these, but I couldn't find the small ones. So that is really fun. Aprons for nail protecting, some glue, a couple of scrapers that I love, these little scrapers, and that one is a plate too. Some foils, an adorable keychain, because we know how much I love hummingbirds. Some awesome brushes. These are really nice. Thank you. It's just some clear art, so like to make swirls and stuff. I'm not going to open it, it's sealed. And some more silver Madame Glam gel paint, silver chrome. And I am almost out of my silver chrome, so I really appreciate that. And she sent me another uber chic scraper. It's my favorite scraper. Why did you send this? Did you not like it? Because I flippin' love these things. But thank you, Denise, for all that you sent. Very sweet of you. On to what we're going to do today. So everybody said in the comments they wanted me to try the magnetic powder on regular polish. I'm going to try it because I also have some Parrot Polish. And this is the exact color of this. This is exactly. And this is Siberian Cat. And then I also got Chartreuse Cat. I ordered this one and he also sent this one. Thank you, David. So I took the powder, the magnetic powder that I have, the pigment powder, and I put it just in some base coat. I just have plain old base coat. But with the powder, I scooped out 2 little scoops this size. I don't know where these came from. I just got them. I've had them for a while. 2 scoops in this little bit of like half a, and this I think is a 5 mil, so maybe 2.5, 3 mil of base coat. I just put a couple scoops in and a couple of little mixing bowls and shook it up and did this, like just till it was mixed up. It does separate pretty easily and pretty quickly since it's not really a suspension base, you know, for that. I don't even know where you could get suspension base. So there's that. All right. Oh, that's not good. That's not good at all. Okay. It doesn't apply very smoothly. I put G money on it because I mixed this myself. Okay. There's that. Let's let it dry a little bit. This is magnetic, so I'm going to grab a big magnet. And just kind of run it over there. Blowing on it. Everybody blow on it. Pretty. It worked very good. Very nice. Pretty opaque. Beautiful. The cost of that, at this point, I'm going to guess, I think I got like a package of 10 of these for like 15 bucks, 20 bucks. I can't remember now. It was more than I thought it was going to be. This was another 15 bucks. Base coat, $7, and that's not a suspension base. So, I don't know. This was $15, $16. This, and David sent me this one. I didn't pay for that one. I paid for the chartreuse, and he sent me that. And I think I bought this beautiful thermal at the same time. All right, let's try the Siberian again. I did shake it, but it didn't have to be rolled, and it's 15 milligrams, full size. I recommend doing a really thin coat for the first coat. That other one I messed up, so I had to put it thick pretty quick. Where to put my magnet? Where'd the magnet go? And I'm going to put another coat on it really quick because that's what I did with the other one. And that's kind of what I don't like about regular polish, is because you got to blow on it while you're doing it to get it to hold the design. Oh, that gorgeous. All right, let's compare. G Money is the one that I mixed, is a little grainier, as you can see. And David's is smooth and gorgeous. I'll set those aside and let them dry. And let's check out chartreuse. And I'm going to show you something else that I did last night. And I don't know what I'm going to do on my nails, but I have Creepy Casey cured over here with some black base coat, and I think I'm going to paint her. This is what I don't like about regular polish. That is so beautiful. Love that. Ooh, that would look so cool with some pigment powder over it, some like Aurora powder over it. Beautiful chartreuse. So I don't know. See, I haven't decided what I'm going to do for Christmas nails yet. I haven't decided. Kind of really like that silver, and I could do some stamping over that. I think maybe that's what I'll do on my nails, but I don't know. Let's see. I got two magnets from Madame Glam. I found my other one. I ordered another one, and then I found this one. That looks pretty. Now let's try it with two magnets like I usually do. Ooh, over black. Yeah, one coat's gonna work over black with either of these colors. But you don't have to, like, because I used the other one. The others were just on clear tips and they did great. All right, so I want my magnets pulling together. Please be careful. Don't smack your magnets together. Like I have so many times and busted magnets. And I think this will get a double. Going to move them in until you see it, the design you want. But the magnets do have to be where they are pulling together. Boom, baby. Awesome. Okay, let's try it with the chartreuse. It's not a dual chrome. This one's a dual chrome, so it shows two different colors. And hopefully I don't mess that up now with this magnet. Let's see. Pretty. Not as great as that one, but still very pretty. Put it at a diagonal. Okay, so it doesn't really hold. No, that did pretty good. Regular polish is just hard to get it to hold the design until it's dry completely. So I have these magnets and they're bigger, and I was really looking for the little ones. On Instagram, I mean, every place I've seen, they get like a pattern like this with the magnet. I couldn't get one. I couldn't get it. But I just set it on top and painted it and let it dry. And that is just pretty cool, if you ask me. So you could use that for a decal. I wanted to try a black hole on a mat because I've never done that. That way we know the shape. See if we can do this on a mat. Heck yeah. Yeah. I got a double hole there. Okay, so I didn't mention the fact that it's a little different doing it on a flat surface, you know, like the mat, as opposed to your nails, because your nails have a curve. And the magnetic pull is going to be different on a flat surface like a mat. All right, so I just put one coat of that chartreuse over this Madam Glam Builder Gel. Oh, that is so pretty. I went ahead and painted my nails. So I put Crimson Magic as a base because I thought that the red would show through. It kind of does in a couple of places, but not really on this hand at all. I'm going to do, I don't know if I'm going to be sorry for this or not, but we're going to go for it. I'm going to take Bam White. And layer these candy canes and Christmassy stuff. So Bam White, and then I was going to use that cinnamon. I grabbed that and was like, ooh, nope, I remember that. That bleeds. This is Drop Red Gorgeous from Hit the Bottle. I love this stuff. It's never let me down. So we'll see. I don't think it bleeds. And my sister-in-law, she has a problem with the ho ho ho, and I will be seeing her for Christmas night, Christmas Eve party. So I don't know. I'm thinking about doing a ho ho ho, just so that I can show her and go, huh, huh. I'm ho ho ho, but I think in green and white. Oh, that looks cute. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do ho 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 in green. It's not Christmas unless you got a ho ho ho. I could turn it around and go oh oh oh. And this is Emerald City. I don't think I did. Yeah, I did. Okay. Here we go. I think that's cute. All right, I'm going on a rant right now. These Scotch pop-up, you can't get the refills anymore. I am like beyond disgusted. These things, I love these things. I have so many of these, and I was, using them for Christmas, wrapping presents, and I ran out and grabbed another one. I've got several refills sitting around everywhere. I have it, keep them with the wrapping paper, and I keep some in here. Anyway, I went online. I was like, oh, I better go order some more. I go to Walmart and look. No. Amazon. No. Amazon has them, but it's like $36 for a 3-pack refill. No. Went to eBay. Same thing. Or to Scotch tape. No. They don't have them at all. Evidently, they were discontinued a couple of years ago, and I had bought so many that I did not know. Really? Why? Am I the only one that uses them? I am so disgusted and mad about it. Oh, that's so cute. I don't know. Oh, there's the thumb. Yeah, yes. All right, I'm going to get cleaned up and top coat, and keep your fingers crossed that we don't bleed. All right, here's what we ended up with. I think it's so cute. The red did not bleed into the white. The white did not bleed into the red. I love hit the bottle polishes. I don't have any trouble with bleeding with it. Here's what's on my other hand. I think that's cute too. The white really doesn't show up that great, but I love that red over that. All right, so I used Maniology, Emerald City, and Bam White. And the stamping plate, M529. And I didn't clean it, MXM140. Sorry, that's a Mani by Me box plate, but this one is not. That's from the what is it? The Box of Joy? Was that from this year? Is that, no, Box of Wonders from this year. And they are for sale, and I don't know if any of those have sold out yet, but that's what that is. This came with last month's. By the way, this last month, the month of December's Mani by Me box has not been claimed, so it's going to go out for grabs again. Hit the Bottle, Drop Red Gorgeous, and we have Parrot Polish, Chartreuse Cat, and then I put Crimson crimson magic underneath it. That one is a beautiful metallic red. It's gorgeous. Parrot Polish absolutely won there because it doesn't separate, and it's the same pigment, but it is prettier, I think, anyway. Okay, this is probably the last time you're going to hear from me before Christmas. I think I will post one more video. Oh, I know I will, because I've got the Mani by Me box for January, and I'll probably post that before, like, right after Christmas, between there and New Year's. All right, thanks for joining me. Merry Christmas, everybody. Bye. Hey. Ow. Stop eating me. This way. Here's Lucas's Christmas tree. Got his Lego ornaments we made. His dinosaurs. But there's his tree and his bed. Full of them. What are those stupid things? And here's the dining room Christmas tree. This was Casey's grandmother's tree, the white tree. So pretty. And here is the main tree in the living room. So pretty. Augie and Bernie. What are you doing, Lucas?
Playing a video game.
Playing video games. And we're letting Bob get used to Bisquick and Bisquick get used to Bob.
What are they doing over there?
Well, Bob's just sitting on the steps, and Bisquick's in his little octagon. So I figured I'd open up the thing and see if Bisquick would want to play with Bob. We'll let him get used to him first. Bob is not sure. Another step away from him. Bisquick, be nice.